Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. I got some more tool deals for you. Home Depot special buy of the day is going to be power tools, combo kits, hand tools, nailers, and some other tools. So let's go ahead and jump into it. So first up, they got the Milwaukee Fuel M18 grinder with paddle switch, two 6 amp hour batteries, and then the charger, $279 for this one. Pretty decent pickup. We got the HP 8¼ inch compact job site table saw, tool only for this one, no batteries included, $259. We got the Rigid 1/2 inch impact wrench, 4 amp hour battery and charger. Comes with your nice little tool bag there, $129. And then all the way to the right, we got the Ryobi HP 4 mode 1/2 inch impact wrench kit with the 4 amp hour HP battery and the charger, $179. This is a pretty nice deal. I actually own one of these and I really like it. This is more of a mid torque, so you're looking at about 600 foot-pounds of breakaway torque on this one. More than enough to break loose some lug nuts if you're swapping out some wheels, anything like that. But nice little pickup here coming in at $179. Next up, we got some more Ryobi tools. We got the 4 mode impact kit coming in at $139, and that's going to come with two 2 amp hour HP batteries and then the bag and charger. It's not a bad deal there either. We got the Ryobi 1 inch SDS coming with a 4 amp hour battery. This is the HP, $200. And then we got the HP cutoff toolkit. This is going to come with a 1.5 amp hour battery. Looks like you're going to get some cutting wheels there, some cutting blades. You get your tile, your carbide, and then your metal cutting blade there. Only coming in at $120. And then all the way to the right here, we got the HP 3/8 inch impact wrench kit with the 1.5 amp hour battery and the charger, also $120. Over here, we got the HP 3/8 inch right angle drill kit. That's also going to come with a 1.5 amp hour battery, also $120. And then we got the cutout tool with the 1.5 amp hour battery, not an HP, just Ryobi 1 Plus coming in at $70. Got some Milwaukee stuff here. We got the M12 Fuel 1/4 inch screwdriver kit, 2 of the 2 amp hour batteries, charger. You get the bag, $120 for that one. And then all the way to the right here, we got the M18 Fuel 2nd gen mid torque 1/2 inch impact wrench. And this is going to come with a couple batteries. So 2 6 amp hour batteries for this one. You get the multi-charger, so it does your M12 and your M18, and this comes in at 650 foot-pounds of breakaway torque, which is pretty nice. $279 for this one. Next up, we got the Milwaukee M12 rotary tool coming with the 2 amp hour battery and charger. Only $92 for that. Not too bad of a pickup. Got the one-hand recip. This is the fuel, and this is going to come with one of the 5 amp hour batteries and then the 2 amp hour battery multi-charger. $189 for this one. Another pretty decent pickup. Next up, we got the M18 multi-tool. Also coming with the 5 amp and the 2 amp hour battery and charger. Also $190. And then we got all the way to the right here, the M18 Fuel jigsaw. Getting the 6 amp. Looks like 2 6 amp hour batteries in the charger. Coming in at $280. Got some more Milwaukee stuff, which we like to see. M18 Fuel 1/4 inch hex impact driver, the 5 amp and the 2 amp. Looks like they're doing a lot of the 5 amp and 2 amp kits with this. Also $189. We got your M18 Fuel high torque impact wrench. And then it looks like they got the grease gun with this one. And this one's also coming with the 2 amp and 5 amp hour battery. So you got your grease gun, 1/2 inch high torque impact wrench. $459 for that one. Next up, we got the random orbit sander, also coming with the 2 and 5 amp hour battery. Got this locked in at $190 like the other ones. And all the way to the right here, we got the 1/2 inch hammer drill. This is the M18 Fuel, 2 6 amp hour batteries coming in at $280. Got the recip saw, also with the 5 and 2 amp hour battery kit, $190 also. Right here, we got the M18 Fuel 5 3/8 metal saw. And then this is coming with a 5 amp hour battery. $200 for this one. We got the M18 threaded rod cutter, also with the 5 amp hour battery for $300. And we got a Rigid 4 mode impact wrench. This is the mid torque 1/2 inch. Looks like it's coming with 2 4 amp hour batteries, the charger and bag. And this one's going to come in at also 650 foot-pounds of breakaway torque, so comparable to the Milwaukee that we seen earlier, but this one's coming in at $200. Got the subcompact half-inch for $200, two 4-amp hour batteries. We got the 18-gauge crown stapler with a 5-amp hour for $349. Got a couple more Milwaukee Fuel 2-tool combos right there. And then we're going to go into some combo kits. So here is one of the combo kits that they got going on from Milwaukee. This is going to come in at $810, but this is a 7-tool combo kit. So you're getting a bunch of tools with this one. You guys can see one of the tools is a light, so we're getting 6 tools. All fuel tools, which is nice. 2 of the 5-amp hour batteries. Get 2 of the bags, 1 charger. But this one is normally a little over $1,100, coming in at $810. Got some Ryobi, a 1+ combo deals. Looks like we got some Shockwave drill bits, 23-piece for $24.97. Got the Shockwave Impact driver bit set. This is with the pack out case, 100-piece for $50. Got some more Shockwaves down here. Got the Sawzall blades for $62.97. Got some multi-tool blades by Milwaukee. 5-piece here, and then another 8-piece. And then this is a pretty decent deal. They got the Shockwave drill and screw driver bit set with the right angle adapter by Milwaukee. Coming in at $23.97. That's not a bad pickup there. You know, looks like we roll into some more Ryobi. There's some 1+. Doesn't look like any HP, but we got a bunch of different combo deals going on for Ryobi here. Got some Rigid. Got the 2 4-amp hour starter kit for $80. Got the 4-tool combo kit for $279. Buy one, get one. They've had this one for a while for the 2-amp hour battery for Rigid. And then over here we got the M18 starter kit, 5-amp, 2-amp. That 5-amp and 2-amp, they've been combining with a lot of tools in this special buy. And then you get the dual bay charger also, so $189 for all 3 of those. And it looks like we get into some more Milwaukee stuff. A lot of Milwaukee tools, which is nice to see. M18 Fuel. Looks like we got the circular saw, the jigsaw, and then also the compact router. So 3 tools. Looks like this is the tools only, no batteries with this one. Coming in at $529. Next up we got the M18 half-inch hammer drill kit. Coming in with 3 5-amp hour batteries for $269. Same setup here, but this one's going to be the Fuel 1/4-inch hex impact driver kit. Also $269. And then all the way to the right here, got a 2-tool combo kit. So you get the hammer drill and the impact driver, along with the batteries for $474. Got the Milwaukee vacuum and the rear handle circular saw. So 6-gallon vac, $419. And then they got the rear handle circular saw comboed up with the oscillating multi-tool, also for $419. And then we haven't seen Makita in a while. Here's the Makita 5-tool combo kit. So this one's coming in at $349. Once again, you do get a light with this one. So it looks like you get the 6.5-inch circular saw, impact, drill, recip. I think you only get 1 battery with this one also. Oh no, you get 2 batteries. So 2 4-amp hour batteries with this one. The charger. Makita bags are pretty nice. $349 for this one. And then we got some Milwaukee recip saw blades, $18.97. Here's some Milwaukee tool sets here. You get your 1/4-inch, 3/8, and 1/2-inch coming at $400. Got your framing nailer here with the glasses for $309. Got the Milwaukee inflator, 2 6-amp hour batteries, and the charger for $279. Nailer here, this is the 18-gauge brad nailer for $254. Looks like right here they got the 18-gauge brad nailer along with the 23-gauge comboed up. Tools only, it looks like, for $449. And then they got the 18-gauge with the 3.5-inch framing nailer. Looks like they got the 2-amp and the 5-amp comboed with this one for $739. Got the 18-gauge with the 15-gauge for $548. And then over here, we've got the 18 gauge comboed with a 2 amp hour battery coming in at $329. Another framing nailer here, tool only with the tinted glasses for $309. And they got the framing nailer here with 2 of the 6 amp hour batteries coming in at $500. Guys looking for a whole pallet of framing nails? Well, there you go. A little over $3,000. They got some wrenches here, 15 piece for $200. Metric and SAE. Got the fastback utility knife with a 6-pack of blades coming in at $40. Got some lights. Got your dual power tower light, 2 6 amp hour batteries and charger for $279. And then they got the same dual power tower light. This one's coming with the 5 amp hour battery for $169. Got the compact router, 2 6 amp hour batteries for $279. Grease gun with the same setup for $279. We got the M12 soldering iron kit, $109. Got a DeWalt nailer kit for $334. The rigid heat gun kit comes with 2 4 amp hour batteries for $149. Another light by Milwaukee, along with the 12 amp hour battery for $549. Some more nailers. And that looks like it's about it, guys. So I just want to do a quick run through of the special buys of the day at Home Depot. If you guys are interested in some top deals at Harbor Freight, I just posted a video not too long ago. They're doing a huge parking lot sale. And that parking lot sale started today for the ITC Inside Track Club members. Got a lot of good deals going on there. It's going to start for everybody at the end of the week going into the weekend. So if you guys are interested in Harbor Freight's parking lot sale and the top deals that they got going on there, I'll post a video at the end of this video. Go ahead, click on that. I'm sure you'll like it. Hopefully you found value in the video. If you did, smash the like button. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. Until the next one, guys, I will talk to you later.